So, gearing up, putting our stuff on, getting ready to go. Here's Ami.
He's talking to the camera.
She's cheating for the picture.
1, 2, going down.
1, 2, not gonna go on the green slope because it's too scary. Here's Joe. That's enough for Joe, aka green slope.
You're all about yourself. Yeah.
Green slope. Coming back next will be the lift. The lift for the green slope. Here's Ami.
Ready, Cam!
Here's where we're going. Woo! There's JoJo. There's where we're coming from. Woo! Check that out. Nice. And this is where we're going.
Now coming up, it kind of turned into a
Hi! Oh my god, I'm so cold!
Look, there's one trail. Oh my god.
Hardcore!
Get the silhouette.
Baby.
Get the silhouette of the people up ahead.
Oh, get your mom. Alright, let's see what we got here. Trees with snow.
Someone right over here, right?
Skis.
Oh no, it's the next one.
It's freezing.
Snow! Santa hat! You crossed over the Santa hat.
I dropped the... Oh, it's so cold. Turn that shit off. Alright, time to turn that shit off. And turn that shit off. And give me enough. Give me enough. Finally got the people. Here we go. Skiing. Take number 500. Just came from up there. Going down here. Couldn't get the 2 buttons. Lost Joe and Ami, so here's the dry run. Ski, baby. Here goes nothing. I do my best to keep the camera on target. Some skier looking at the camera, saying hey. Here we go, baby. Woo! Oh, look at that! It's this slope. Hey, Andrea, remember this spot? It's your favorite spot. Right here. This is the spot right about there. Your buddy Andrea, we're just sitting there. Chilling, having a good old time. Woo! Not going very fast right now. Pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. Going in for the turn. Go. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, baby. Woo! Oh, here we go. A little bumpy and icy here. Yeah. There we go. Skiing time, baby. Well done. Coming up on our slow skier. Coming down the hill. Coming up on another slow skier. Coming up on another. Go! Woo! 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 Woo!
Nice.